The third one is tabular representation. The third way of representing the signal is the tabular representation. Here you will draw a table of the signal. You will simply draw a table and you will specify the value of n and you will specify the value of x of n here. Now for each point of n, at each discrete point of n, you will have the value for x of n. So here, if we have -2, we have the amplitude is 3. If we have n equal to -1, the amplitude is, let it be -1. If it is 0, x of n equal to 0. If it is 1, I have the value of x of n is 5. So this way you can represent the signal in the tabular form.